Hello dear students, our objectives for today is to convert from cubic meter to liter, and we will see how. Before starting our lesson, let's recall and remember what we took in the class. First example, 32 decimeter cube. In order to convert it to meter cube, we must here remember the square of units that we took it. We know that from decimeter cube till meter cube, we are moving up the stairs, so we must here divide. Moving up the stairs, so we must divide by 10 power 3. And since we are dividing, so the number must be smaller, so we must move the point 3 digits to the left in order the number to become smaller. So 32 divided by 10 power 3 equal to 0.032 meter cube. The second example, it's 0.57 hectometer cube. We want to convert it to meter cube. So we know that from hectometer cube to meter cube, we must get down the stairs, 2 stairs. So we move down the stairs by 2 stairs. So here we must multiply by 10 power 6, and the number must be bigger. So we must move the point 6 digits to the right in order the number to become more bigger. So 0.57 times 10 power 6 equal to 570,000 meter cube. The next example, 78 centiliter. We want to convert it to liters, so here we are moving upstairs, moving up the stairs by 2. So here we must divide by 100 equal to 0.78 liter. Don't forget that while I am dividing, the number must be smaller. 0.78 is smaller than 78, so because of that we move the point to the left. While in the example here 950 kiloliter, while I am converting it to liter, we must multiply by 1000 because we are moving down the stairs. If you remember and put in front of you the stairs, you see that from kiloliter to liter we are moving down, so we must multiply by 1000, which become 950,000 liter. After we took the units of cubic meter alone and the units of liter alone, now the 2 stairs we must merge them together. How we mix the 2 units together? As you see here in my figure, that there are arrows between some units. For example, we have an arrow from kiloliter till meter cube. We have another arrow from liter to decimeter cube. We have a third arrow from milliliter to centimeter cube. Here you must know that these arrows like as bridges between the first unit and the other. How? What is meant by this arrow? You must know that this arrow means equal. Yeah, for example, 1 kiloliter unit is equal to 1 meter cube. So kiloliter it's the same as meter cube. Liter is the same as decimeter cube. Milliliter is the same as centimeter cube. So these units are equal. From the 2 stairs that we took it in the class, we know that here we have an equal units. So if I have, for example, 5 kiloliter, it's equal to 5 meter cube. If we have a 5 milliliter, it's equal to 5 centimeter cube. And if we have, for example, 6 liter, it's equal to this meter cube. So now in order to jump as the boy is doing here from one strain to another, we must use these equal units: kiloliter, liter, milliliter, centimeter cube, decimeter cube, and meter cube. So for example, if you want to convert from hectoliter into centimeter cube, we must use these equal units, and you will see how in the next slide. In order to understand more, let's see this application. 3.5 kiloliter, we must convert it to meter cube. And as we took in the last slide, we see that kiloliter equal to meter cube. They are the same units. There is no difference. So what we say here, that 3.5 kiloliter equal to 3.5 meter cube. Nothing gets changed. It is equal. 0.56 centimeter cube, we want to convert it to milliliter, and as we see in the slide before, that centimeter cube is equal to milliliter, so we put it the same. We don't multiply it, we don't divide it, it's the same unit. Also we have 758 decimeter cube. We want to convert it to liters, so also it remains the same. So kiloliter is equal to meter cube, centimeter cube equal to milliliter, decimeter cube is equal to liter. As you see, the numbers stays as it is. We don't multiply it, we don't divide it. We only copy the number as it is. Here in the last one we have 59 kiloliter. We want to convert it to decimeter cube. Kiloliter, it's the same as meter cube. Okay, so we put 59 meter cube, but here we want to convert it to decimeter cube, so we continue our operation here by multiplying 59 times 10 power 3 equal become 59,000 decimeter cube. Why we multiplied by 10 power 3? Because from meter cube to decimeter cube we must multiply it by 10 power 3. So by this case we can now convert our units from liter to meter cube, and vice versa. And we can move from the stairs of liters to the stair of meter cubes, and the opposite is correct. Now to understand more, let's see these examples. 650 cc, we want to convert it to meter cube. Cc is equal to milliliter, so it's the same. So don't be afraid from it. Whenever you see cc, it's the same as milliliter. Put it milliliter. So here we have 650 cc, yani 650 milliliter. We want to convert it to meter cube. How? From milliliter we want to go to meter cube. We are jumping from one stairs to another. So how we should do that? By going the bridge, by going and moving on the bridge. What is the bridge? The bridge is that 650 milliliter is equal to 650 centimeter cube. So here the bridge is that milliliter equal to centimeter cube. In this case we can reach the meter cube from milliliter to meter cube by using what? Centimeter cube. So 650 milliliter equal to 650 centimeter cube. From centimeter cube to meter cube, as usually we divide it by 10 power 6, which becomes 0.00065 meter cube. In the next example we have 32.56 hundredths hectometer cube. We want to convert it to decaliter. How we go from hectometer cube into decaliter? There are different stairs. How we will jump? Also by using a bridges. What are these bridges? We know that from hectometer cube to meter cube we must multiply by 10 power 6. When I reach meter cube, okay, now it's easy for me to go to decaliter. Why? Because meter cube is equal, it's the same as kiloliter. So are you understanding how we are jumping from one stairs to another? Hectometer cube, first I convert it to meter cube, it become 3,250,000 meter cube. When I reach meter cube, so I know that meter cube is the same as kiloliter, it's what become kiloliter. Now from kiloliter to decaliter, it's so easy to convert it. How? By multiplying it by 100. So it becomes 325 million decaliter. The last example, which is 9.6 centimeter cube, we want to convert it to liter. So centimeter cube, it's not equal to liter. We know that milliliter we know that milliliter is equal to centimeter cube, so we say that 9.6 centimeter cube equal to 9.6 milliliter. Now by reaching milliliter we can go safely to a liter by dividing it by 10 power 3, which becomes 0.0096 liter.